This is how we're going to save you at least £70 by replacing a washer on your tap. To get a plumber out, £70. To buy a washer on a single washer, probably about 20 pence. Not only is it annoying for you, but it can also damage your boiler. First things first, you want to isolate your water tap. Find your main stop tap and turn it fully clockwise. That will turn off all your water to your house. First thing we're going to do is have a look at the tools. Small Phillips, large Phillips, small flat bladed screwdriver, a little bit bigger flat bladed screwdriver, pair of snipe nose pliers and a fully adjustable spanner. I've got rubber gloves on. These are an alternative glove. Good to keep your hands clean, impractical for the job that we're going to do today, but always keep a pair of gloves handy because they're quite useful. First off, remove the top on your tap. It comes off like that, and then it exposes a screw on the top. I'm going to use the hot one because that's the one that's annoying and the one that will damage your boiler. Anti-clockwise, remove your screw, plug in your sink to make sure that your screw doesn't fall down. Take the top off, keep it to one side. What you need then is to hold your tap body, your spanner on, and anti-clockwise. It's a bit like Blue Peter. This is one I prepared earlier. Unscrew the body and you'll see the bottom, the washer, is not a very good washer. What we need to do then is to remove the middle screw in there, suitable screwdriver, remove the said screw, pull the washer off. If you haven't got a washer, this one's been done already. As you can see from underneath, it's got a beveled edge, so it has been used previously. Put that to one side. Buy a new washer, local DIY shop, packs of 5 or 10. It pushes in place, back on. One little tip I found is before you've tightened it up, is put a little bit of silicone grease on the thread so that next time you come to take it off, it removes itself a lot easier. Everything's assembled in reverse. Tap on. Wash it on, and then when you turn your tap off, the water will stop. You turn it on, it will run as normal. Same as that one. It's exactly the same tap. You will have leak-free taps. You'll have maintenance-free for a good number of years, and it will also stop the annoying water dripping noise, and your boiler will not be affected by a leaking tap if you've got a combination boiler.